The Bermuda Triangle, a region in the North Atlantic Ocean, has captivated imaginations and sparked countless theories. Stretching between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, it's infamous for the mysterious disappearances of ships and aircraft. Some believe it's a vortex to another dimension, while others point to magnetic anomalies that may confuse navigational instruments. What's often overlooked are the hidden facts. The area is heavily trafficked, with thousands of vessels passing through safely every year. The supposed disappearances? Many have been exaggerated or debunked. In fact, the U.S. Board on Geographic Names doesn't recognize the Bermuda Triangle as an official name. Some scientists suggest natural explanations, like rogue waves or methane hydrate eruptions that could sink ships in seconds. Yet the allure persists, fueled by a mix of fear and fascination. The truth is, the Bermuda Triangle is less about the supernatural and more